Hello friends. Hello. Hello friends. Today we shall discuss divisibility rule of 6. The divisibility rule is if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6. Let us take one example. Suppose the number is 18. Let us take one example. The number is 18. Now, if we divide 18 by if we divide 18 by 2, then it is 2 9s 18. 2 9s 18, right? Therefore, 18 is divisible by 2. That is 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. And if 18 is divisible by 3, 18 is divisible by 3, 3 6 is 18. 3 6 is 18. Remainder is 0. That is 18 is also divisible by 3. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. That means 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, it is also divisible by 6. Let us divide 18 by 6. 6 3 is 18. We can also write 6 as 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. That means if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6. Let us take another example. For example, the number is 27. 27. Take another example, 27. 27. Now, if we divide 27 by 3, we are getting 27 divided by 3, that is 3 9s 27, remainder 0. That is, it is divisible by 3. 9. If we divide 27 divided by 2, then it is not divisible. Why? Let us take, here it is 27. If I divide by 2, 2 1 is 2, 7, 2 3 is 6, 1 is remainder. That means it is not divisible. Since 27 is only divisible by 3 but not by 2, therefore 27 is not divisible by 6. Therefore, 27 is not divisible by 6. Right? That means if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, only then it is divisible by 6. Okay, for example 18 is divided by 2 and it is also divisible by 3, therefore 18 is divisible by 6 also. Right? This is the divisibility rule of 6. Therefore we can say, or we can conclude that if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. This is the divisibility rule of 6.